Morning guys, February 11th, 2022. So here, I got a call from my dentist. I had changed the toilet over there a while back, one of his toilets, and they got another one in the other room, and the secretary's calling me about it's leaking every so often, and leaking around the floor, and the thing won't flush. I said, that's a backed up drain. Well, she's called me 3-4 times about this thing, you know, and I keep telling her it's the drain's backing up, it's not the toilet. So if the toilet won't go down and it's leaking all over the floor, that means it's trying to flush it, but the drain's, you know, the water's not going down the drain. So anyway, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna pull the toilet off, and I'm gonna run a hose down there and see if it backs up. She keeps calling me. He's called me like 3-4 times on this thing, and I tell her, call a drain man. I don't do main drains. I don't want nothing to do with main drains. But anyway, I got another toilet that I just swapped out from the guy's house yesterday, and that'll be a perfect place to put it over there. So I called him and I told him I had a used toilet, good condition, elongated. You know, it's used, but it's a Viper. It's a Gerber Viper toilet. We'll throw it in over there because the one she's got, I think, is a round front over there. This got a nice plastic seat on this one. I was gonna throw it in the dumpster, but it's a good toilet. I was actually gonna give it to my sister. It's going in the dentist's office in the back. You know, all the employees use it. Just tell her to wash it good, you know. Nothing wrong with it. I'll give him a break on it. I'll give the guy a break on it. Oh, Miss Molly, I'm gonna give him a used shit at Miss Molly. Miss Molly, yeah, gonna give him a used shit at Miss Molly. What do you think? Yeah, yeah. Got a nice seat on it. This actually handle's broke. The other one's a better toilet. This is a cheap seat. We'll put the other one in there. It's a better toilet. Wow. Hey. Oh shit, she's a crusty one. She's a loose of a goose, mama. They said the other toilet's better than this one. It's a new style, 3-inch and a flush valve. looks like the floor's dropping here. Looks like the floor's, wow, something's not right here. The floor looks like it's dropping. Look at that. Well, the tile's lifting or something. Something's going on here. Something's doing a funky chicken. Let's take a lavimoniere. 3/8 lavimoniere. That's ½ inch. Put that on the other end. Looks like it's starting to back up. I don't see it backing out, so I'll put the other toilet on there and it'll be good. It's not backing up. I ran the hose down there. I ran the hose down there good, and the drain's not backing up. That's what my concern was. This floor seems like it's really, I don't know if it's lifting. These seem like they're lifting, these tiles. Well, we'll put that other toilet, that other one I got's a nice, it's a newer style one. That's 3-inch flush valve on it and everything. We'll swap them out. Give you a deal on that one. Okay. Okay. Just put a little wax right over that. That's still, stuff's still fine. We'll put another wax right over it. I ran put this in the sink with hot water. Yeah, we'll give it you how you doing now. These two little things belong on the back here. Definitely a better toilet than what was here. We'll put this one on. I might have to get on the gasket and take the bowl gasket for it. I'm not sure. We'll see if it leaks. Maybe. If they don't leak, we're good. I can get them. They're available. I called this morning. See the gaskets in there. It's definitely a better looking toilet. She's across to you, Mr. Grinch. Definitely a better toilet. The other tank might have been loose, maybe a little bit when they're sitting on it and pushing back on it. That might have been what the issue was. Looks tight. usually can tell if it's leaking. I leak right down the back here and your hand will get wet. Yeah, this is a better toilet. So I'd have take the other one out anyway, so I swapped it, gave him the better one. It's a 3-inch flush valve. Got a seat. It's a little closed seat. Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you want to do body bumps, Miss Molly? You want attention? Oh yeah, you love attention, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, I know you do. Alright guys, I could have fixed that other toilet, but that other one I had was a better toilet. You know, fancier, new style, bigger flush valve. You know, a little less water usage. I could have fixed the other one, had a 2-inch flush valve in it, but I talked to him about it. He wanted the better toilet. I'll give a crazy price on it. I mean, I'm not gonna probably even charge the guy anything for it. It would have went in somebody's house. Somebody would have used that. That's like a $250 toilet right there. Somebody would have snacked that right up, give it to that $50 seat on that thing. That was a slow close seat like that, $50 for that sucker. That was a good one. So, I mean, why not repurpose it, right? Give it a little cleaning and be good to go. It's only a bathroom in the back of a dental office. Only employees use it type of thing, you know. Oh. Shit happens. Oh man, no, yeah, Miss Molly. Miss Molly.